In this section, we're going to briefly discuss processing two-dimensional arrays. Once a two-dimensional array is defined and initialized, it often needs to be processed in some way. For example, printing, summing, or searching. For example, determining the largest row, sum. This approach necessitates two loops because we have a two-dimensional array with two indexing variables to keep track of the row index and the column index, and two working variables, one for the sum of a given row and one for the maximum sum found so far. We would zero out the variable max, loop over each row, initializing the outer loop index to 0 and working up to the number of rows minus 1. And for each row, we would zero out sum, loop index over each column, starting at index 0, going up to the number of columns, minus 1. And for each element at that row column intersection, we would add that value to sum. After the inner loop has finished that entire row, we would compare sum to see if it's greater than max. If so, update max, otherwise continue with the next outer loop iteration.